Dear children, welcome back. This is the continuation video of lesson 4, Marching to Freedom. This is part 3 and the final video of this lesson. So far we have studied that Dhani lived in Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati ashram. Binny was his best friend. Children, as we know that Dhani was so curious to know about the plan, so he went to her mother first and asked her mother, where is Gandhiji going? He wanted to inquire a lot, but his mother was so busy, so she just said to him that Gandhiji is going on a march. Then he had gone to Binda Chacha and asked that whether he is also going to the march with Gandhiji. He said yes and explained him about the Dandi march. He said that Gandhiji and his followers will go for march to Dandi to make salt because we all have to pay tax on salt, even the poorest person also. So to stop the tax, Gandhiji decided to walk to Dandi and make salt from sea water. Let's see children what happened next. Gandhiji is very clever. Dhani's eye will shine. After this, Dhani went to his father. Pitaji, I want to go to Dandi with Gandhiji. His father replied, you can't walk so much, Dhani. I am 9 and can run very fast, Dhani replied. His father explained, only the people who have been chosen by Mahatma Ji will go. Fine, I will talk to him then. I am sure he will say yes, said Dhani and marched off. The next morning, as the sun came up, Gandhiji went out for a walk around the ashram. Dhani and Binny followed him. Dhani and Binny directly went to Gandhiji. Finally, Gandhiji headed back to his hut. He sat down in the veranda and called out to Dhani. Come here, child. Dhani ran up with Binny skipping along. What's your name? Dhani, Gandhiji. And this is your goat? Yes, Gandhiji, this is my friend Binny, my best friend, who gives the milk you drink every morning. I take care of her, Dhani said proudly. Can I come with you to Dandi? Dhani asked nervously. Gandhiji smiled and said, yes, you can, but there is a problem, my child. If you go with me, who will take care of Binny? After walking for so long, I will become weak. When I come back, I will need to drink lots of milk to become strong again. Gandhiji said to Dhani that it was important for him to stay back in the ashram and take care of Binny. If he would go with Gandhiji, then there would be no one to take care of Binny. You are right, Gandhiji. Binny eats only when I feed her. Dhani lovingly stroked Binny's head. Exactly. So, will you stay in the ashram and take care of Binny for me? Yes, Gandhiji, I will, said Dhani and Binny, and I will be waiting for you. See children, how intelligently Gandhiji managed to convince Dhani to stay in ashram. Since it was the long and tiresome journey and Dhani was still a small child, he had not been able to cope with the hardship during the Dandi march. Note some important word meanings. Full of activity means busy. Query, ask a question. Killing time, doing something without any reason because he had a lot of things and no work. Tax, the money that we pay to the government, we pay tax according to the money that we earn. So the people who do not earn a lot of money pay very little or no tax. Next, poorest person has to pay this tax. People who are very find it very difficult to pay the tax because they don't have enough money to buy food for themselves. So it was not right to collect tax from them. Unfair, not right or fair according to a set of rules or principles. Veranda, an open area with a roof built in the front or onto the side of a house. Nervously, in a worried or a frightened way. Now answer these questions. Where was Gandhiji going and why? Gandhiji and some people from the ashram were going to walk through Gujarat to reach the sea at a place called Dandi. They would walk for a whole month. Once they reached Dandi, they would make salt. Next, how was Gandhiji going to travel? Why did Dhani find these ideas clever? Gandhiji has decided to walk down till Dandi rather than travelling by bus or train. If he walked, the news would spread and more people will join him. Next, explain how Gandhiji made Dhani agree to stay at the ashram. Gandhiji said to Dhani that it was important for him to stay back in the ashram and take care of Bini. If he would go with Gandhiji, there will be no one to take care of Bini. Children, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.